Good morning, students. Today's topic of accountancy is non-profit organization. So we have done the theoretical part in the previous class, and today we'll moving on to the practical part. See, in every business organization, which are private business organizations like partnership, cooperative society, joint stock company, sole proprietorship, right? They maintain their accounts just to know their profit and loss which they have incurred. So how they calculate their profit? By maintaining trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. But in non-profit organization, as we know, that their main motto is not to earn profit, but they are rendering service for the social motive to the society and their members. Right? But then also, whether they are not working for earning profit or they are working for earning profit, but every organization want to know that how it is working, what all expenditure they are incurring and from where they are receiving money. In NPO, the main objective is not to earn profit, so we do not make trading in profit and loss account, but since we need to know how they are performing and how the work is going on, so they need to make separate accounts for non-profit organizations, and those accounts are receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and after that balance sheet is prepared. So the first account is receipt and payment account. Today we will do about receipt and payment account. What is receipt and payment account? This account is really very simple to understand. There is nothing very hard in it. If you will pay attentive only for 5 minutes, you can make it very easily. Receipt and payment account is just like a cash account. Just like a cash account. Now what does it mean? See, in cash account, you used to record whatever cash you are receiving and whatever payments you are making. Cash receive and cash payments, both are recorded in cash book. Likewise, receipt and payment account, if you are receiving cash, then you have to keep it. If cash is going out, then you have to leave it, right? Means whatever cash is coming to you, you have to record it in the debit side, and whatever cash payment you are doing, you have to record it on the credit side. The debit side of this account is known as receipt, and the credit side of this account is known as payments. So all the cash receipts you have to record on the debit side, and all the cash payment you have to record on the credit side. See, receipt and payment account is a real account. As I have told you that it is very similar to your cash account. So cash account is real. And what is the golden rule for a real account? Debit what comes in. So if anything is coming, you have to record on which side? Debit side. So debit side is what side? Receipt side. And if anything goes out, whatever is going out, you have to credit that. So whatever is going out means whatever payment you are making, you have to record it on the credit side, and that side is known as payment sides. So now you can apply the rule of real account and you can record cash receipts and cash payments accordingly. If cash flow is there, you have to enter it, right? Whether it is inflow of cash or whether it is outflow of cash. Inflow of cash is recorded on the receipt side and outflow of cash is recorded in the payment side. It does not matter whether the inflow or outflow of cash is related to current year, or it is related to previous year, or it is related to the future period of time. It doesn't matter that whether the cash payment or cash receipt is related to this year or not. You have to record it. If cash is coming, it is irrelevant that whether that receipt or payment is related to this year or not. Whether it is a capital payment or it is a revenue payment, it does not matter. You have to record it if you are receiving any amount, and you have to record it if you are paying any amount. For example, if cash goes out for purchasing an asset, then of course you have to record it. You are purchasing an asset, payment is being done, you will record this entry on the credit side of receipt and payment account. Now second, if cash goes out for the purchase of goods, now this is a revenue payment, right? Then also you have to record it. As I have told you, it doesn't matter if it is a capital or a revenue nature transaction. Likewise, if cash belongs to previous year, then also you have to write it. Next year, then also you have to write it. Or current year, then also you have to write it. Receipt and payment account, I have told you. See, in receipt and payment account, entry is only on the cash basis of accounting. Cash basis of accounting. You remember your cash basis of accounting? There are two bases. One is cash basis and one is accrual basis. So, what does cash basis say? Cash basis say that you have to record only when cash is received or cash is paid. Only those transactions will be taken into consideration. Whether it is a prepaid income, prepaid expense, outstanding expense, whatever it is, if it is coming or going out in current year, you have to record it. Is it clear? I'll give you a brief summary of this account. आप जो भी पैसा रिसीव कर रहे हैं अपने बिजनेस में, चाहे वो इस साल से रिलेटेड हो, चाहे पिछले साल से हो, चाहे आने वाले साल से हो, आपको उसको रिकॉर्ड करना ही करना है अपने रिसीट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट में. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपने कैपिटल पेमेंट की है, कैपिटल रिसीट की है, रेवेन्यू पेमेंट की है या रेवेन्यू रिसीट की है. अगर पैसा आया है, इफ कैश इज कमिंग इन, यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इट. और अगर पैसा जा रहा है, इफ कैश इज गोइंग आउट, यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इट. बहुत सिंपल होता है, बिल्कुल कैश अकाउंट की तरह है ये. सारी की सारी कैश रिसीट्स आपको कहाँ रिकॉर्ड करनी है? डेबिट साइड में, जिसे हम रिसीट साइड कहते हैं. और सारी की सारी कैश पेमेंट आपको रिकॉर्ड करनी है क्रेडिट साइड में, जिसे कि पेमेंट साइड कहते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है ये अकाउंट. ये इसका थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट है. मैं आपको अभी इसका फॉर्मेट भी बताऊंगी और कैसे क्वेश्चंस करने हैं वो भी बताऊंगी.